Ringo is just your everyday, average dodo bird. But when he heard about the new So You Think You're a Bird contest, he decided to try out. Maybe he could make it in the big leagues. But he had his work cut out for him. There were a lot of people in this competition, and some with just as much talent as he had. Some were determined to be the best.
This gangsta girl, wannabe, whatever she is, she is not gonna beat me. I've been in this competition for 5 years. 5 years, she's gonna beat me!
I don't know what this crazy chick's talking about, but I'm tighter than her mama in spandex. I'ma whoop her butt. Girl, she ain't got what it takes to beat me.
Competition will be fierce, and words will be censored.
I'm a bird, mother. I'm a bird. Look at me. I'm a bird. Look at me.